Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 bicycles handlebar. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected a road bicycle handlebar. Specifications: clamp diameter 28.6 mm, type road handlebar / bent bar, width 300 to 400 mm, origin CN origin, is _customized, yes, use road bicycles, model number the 1, length 380 to 420 mm, components handlebar, material carbon fiber. The item number 2 is Ogievkin HB 1300. Specifications: brand name Ogievkin, clamp diameter 28.6/31.8 mm, length 90/100 of a millimeter, stem length 90/100 of a millimeter, reach 80 mm, drop 125 mm, screw torque 6 Nm, suitable fork size 28.6/31.8 mm, outside angle 2 degree. On the top of our list at number 1 we have new bicycle handlebars T800. Specifications: brand name Casevlo, clamp diameter 28.1 to 29.5 mm, type road handlebar / bent bar, width 401 to 500 mm, origin CN origin, use road bicycles, components handlebar, material carbon fiber. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.